Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my video. My name is Vel Doggs and this is my kitchen where we make restaurant quality food or better from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, today what we got on the chopping block is chicken. We're going to try to make some chicken teriyaki. Now I did a little research. This is not the traditional chicken teriyaki. This is something that my mother used to make when I was a kid. So I'm going to go ahead and try to perfect that today. This is what we have, whole chicken pieces. That's what we got. Now what I did with this, I try to dry it out much as possible. And but before I did all that, I marinated in some white wine. So saying that to say this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and start with the chicken. We're going to go ahead and season the chicken up first before we do anything with our vegetables. We're going to cook this for about 45 minutes. And then we're going to start chopping up on our vegetables and stuff, getting this like golden brown. And then we'll just chop up everything and put it up in there. So right now I'm going to start with some salt, which is sea salt. This is like a teaspoon of sea salt. So I'm going to take some of that, season that on there. Or actually put it on there, not season that on there. But so I want to season on both sides. Got some black pepper. Granulated onion powder. So just to be precise, on the salt we have a teaspoon of that. I already told you that. We have a teaspoon of the black pepper. And we have a tablespoon of the onion powder. I like flavor, bold flavor. So we have a teaspoon of granulated garlic. The reason why I do this first like this is because I want to cook these seasoning inside the meat instead of putting everything together. So keep in mind we have to do a sauce too as well. So I have some chili powder. Okay, I'm going to turn this over. So I will do my backside first. Okay, I just turned that over. I'm going to go ahead and start with my salt again. Onion powder, garlic. Heat your oven about 450. Black pepper. If you don't want it too spicy, you don't have to use a teaspoon. You can use a half a teaspoon. But anybody that know me know I love spice. Chili powder. We even have cinnamon. I'm going to take a little of that and dust a little of that on there. I'm going to use this for the sauce too. Okay, that should be it. So we're going to put this in the oven at 450 degrees. Let this cook for about an hour or 45 minutes to an hour. And then we'll take it out. Then we'll start chopping up on our vegetables and stuff. And I'll be right back, alright? Okay guys, I'm going to start chopping on this pineapple. I'm going to cut this up. Take that bad boy, flip them over. And I don't know about you, but I have a pineapple slicer. Just push down on it like so. I'm going to show you. You find a core. I think that's it right up in there. So I like to put it center, like right there. Push down on it and just turn. Isn't that neat, guys? And guess what? At the end, it's going to be a whole bunch of juice. We're going to use that juice, put it in our teriyaki, make our teriyaki sauce. So you just keep twisting, turn it like that or whatever. It'll make a mess a little bit. I think that's about where it should be at. Then you just pull it, if I can. Let me see, twist a little bit more, I guess. Just pull that bad boy. So we'll take that. It's a little button on the side right there. You can release the handle. Then you just turn it over. And you have slices. So we're going to throw away this, of course. We'll take our board and get that cleaned off. We're going to start chopping up our vegetables. We're going to start with the onion. We're going to need a half an onion for what we're trying to do. We have onions to the side. We'll take our little mini pepper, multi-peppers, take the stem off. So I'm going to do a few of these, show you how to get going on them. Then I'll come back to something different. Now, if you're like me, I'm trying to reserve everything so I can pop it off like that. You know what I'm saying? So, pop it, peel it off, or whatever if you want to. I like to reserve all of it. I'll show you guys how to stuff these bad boys and fry them. Deep fry them.
What?
So what I did was, on an accident, see when I take it off the stick.
Oh, you pulled that off?
Yeah, I threw the other piece in the garbage. I was like, really? I'm glad it's not a red one.
I wasn't even paying attention.
I did when I seen it. I was like, oh, really? So this is what you want to reserve.
Why are the red ones better?
Just more color. They all pretty much taste the same. So guys, to me, they all pretty much taste the same. It just looks pretty, I guess. So what you could do is do this. I try to cut them the longer way because I'm gonna use all of these. See these seeds in there? Take the seeds out. You can use your fingers or whatever. You can put them over here on the side if you want to, or whatever. Okay, I'm gonna start slicing these up. About that thick. For those just tuning in, this is how you do it. You take your fingers, put it in the middle, and pop it up. Get rid of the excess seeds. Just like this. Then you take these bad boys, cut them up like that. Okay. That's about right. I'm gonna cut these in half. Add them to the mix. Take your garlic. Remember I said pop them, put it on top. Good. Take the skin right off it. See? Take your garlic. Slice them up a little bit. You ain't got to chop them or nothing. Okay. And that is that. And I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and get started on this sauce. You're going to need a whisk or a fork. Okay? So let me go wash my hands again because I touched my face. Okay guys, we're going to start working on this sauce. This is pineapple juice. Natural pineapple juice straight from the pineapple. Quite sure you guys already know that. So we're going to add a half cup of orange juice. Now, I'm cheating a little bit. This is some teriyaki sauce. Okay, it has a lot of flavor that you already need in it. So you can find this at Walmart or whatever you want to find it at. Maybe at Aldi's or whatever. I try to save on money by getting some of this. But you can use soy sauce and you can use honey as well. Okay, now I have a quarter cup of that. I'm going to pour that in there. I had some Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna put a couple of dabs of that in there. That's it, because it's overwhelming. Okay guys, I'm gonna mix this up. Put some brown sugar in it. Just a cup, a half a cup brown sugar. I'm gonna stir that up in there. Got some cinnamon, half a teaspoon. Stir that up in there. Cornstarch. So we're gonna stir that in there. We just wanna keep stirring to this dissolve. It's starting to thicken up. If you want it thicker, you can apply some more starch. I want a little runny sauce, not too runny, but just a little bit. And it's going to thicken up as it cooks. So I don't want to overdo it. Okay, we're going to take some lemon juice. Squeeze some of that in there. Not a whole lot. Just a little bit. Give a little bit more zest to it. Give it a quick taste. That is real good. You can drink this. I'm telling you the truth. When you make this, taste it, and you can't tell me it don't taste good. Make you want to drink it. So I can't wait till this gets done. So that's why I put a lot of salt in, then it gets salty, because you gotta remember this teriyaki got soy sauce in it, so you don't want to put a lot of salt in it, because it's going to overwhelm it. Technique. So what we'll do with this, I'm done mixing on this, so I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator and I'll be right back. I'm gonna cover that off a little bit so it can get the steam going. So yep, that's still hot. Okay, so okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get this going. Put it back in the oven for about 35 minutes. Let this go ahead and steam up and whatever, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the finished product. Chicken teriyaki. From my home to yours. So don't hesitate to like, share it, and subscribe to it. Cooking with Vel Doggs Kitchen. Let's get cooking.